The Toyota Century debuted in 1967, and was released to commemorate the 100th birthday of Sakaki Toyoda, founder of the Toyota Group. For more than 50 years the Century has served as the chauffeur-driven model of choice for Japan and remains a favorite among executives across all industries. The new third-generation Toyota Century sees its first full redesign in 21 years. The development theme blends the concepts of legacy and evolution. It carries on the tradition of master craftsmanship and high-quality monozukuri, all-encompassing manufacturing, while the hybrid system realizes high-demand environmental performance, and an interior and exterior design injects new charm into the Century in line with its heritage. The new Century features advanced equipment and comfort amenities suitable for a luxury car, and numerous improvements have been made to achieve serenity and cruising stability. The new third-generation Toyota Century carries on the tradition of master craftsmanship and high-quality monozukuri, all-encompassing manufacturing, while realizing high-demand environmental performance and a design layout that pursues passenger comfort. The interior and exterior design injects new charm into the Toyota Century in line with its heritage. Moreover, the new Century features advanced equipment and comfort amenities only suitable for a luxury limousine. Specifically, the Toyota Century is now powered by a 5.0-liter V8 hybrid system for outstanding fuel efficiency. In addition, the wheelbase has lengthened, the height difference between the scuff plate and floor has decreased, and the height of the door opening has increased, all of which are refinements improving the rear seat riding experience. The intricately glamorous and chic exterior is highlighted by traditional Japanese design elements used throughout the car, including the grille and black trim on the rear combination lamps. The interior features a raised ceiling design and exclusive fabric, while the adjustable rear seats, with massage function, are upgraded with a power leg rest for first-class comfort and a sophisticated riding experience. Layout. Increase in vehicle length, wheelbase, and tread exudes a roomy and dignified style. Ample comfort is provided to rear seat passengers through the increased space created by the expanded wheelbase. Additionally, the rear seat riding experience has been improved through the decreased height difference between the scuff plate and the floor and the increased height of the door opening. Exterior design. The heritage of the Century can be seen at first glance from the front of the vehicle, where the grille, lamps, and other elements blend seamlessly together, creating a simple and modern aesthetic. The grille has a dual structure with a crown pattern applied behind the vertical grid and clearance lamps. The combination of 3 projector headlamps and LED array AHS produce a clear and distinctive appearance. While maintaining elegance in a horizontal foundational posture, the underbody, which dips slightly rearward, combined with the ascending rear cabin, secures the rear seat space and creates a supple movement when viewed from the side.